Hey everyone, welcome back. You already read the title of this, so let's just cut to the chase.
Missing someone.
So, you're gonna head on over to botghost.com. Link in the description. This website is a wonderful website where you can build your own custom Discord bot with no coding required. And it gives you 24/7 hosting. Pretty much means that the bot will be online as long as the website is up and running, which is, great that it comes for free. So let's just start by logging in with Discord. Once you've done that, it'll probably give you this website right here where you have to set up and put in your bot token. Let me help you go through this quickly. We're going to go over to the Discord developer portal, this button right here, so we're just going to click that. And it brings you to this website. This website is where all the bot accounts are created. This is not where you code them. We're not going to be coding them, of course, but if you were to code them, this is not where you would do it. This is just where you create your bot accounts. So what we're going to do is click New Application and name your application. Mine is going to be named as So now that we're here, we're going to go over to the bot tab and we're going to click Add Bot. Yes, do it. And bam. So now that you're here, this page pretty much gives you all the info about the bot's permissions. For the bot permissions, you're just going to put in administrator. Yeah. If you want this bot to be added by anyone, keep this on. I don't want anyone to add this, so let's just turn it off. And these two are permissions that are needed by BotGhost, so we're going to turn them on. Don't turn this one on. This pretty much makes you put in like a code to add a bot to a server. It's annoying. I don't know how to do it. So just don't turn this on. Alright. Now, at the top, it'll say to click to reveal your token. You can do that if you want. The token is pretty much the ID of your bot. This is what helps connect the website or any kind of code to your specific bot. If someone gets a hold of this and uses it in their code, they can pretty much run your bot and do whatever it wants. So if that kind of happens, you can always regenerate and create a new token. So we're just going to copy it and paste it into this bot token page. We're going to do create bot. Once you're there, that's pretty much it. As it said here, privileged gateway are required for some bot functions here to work properly. As I've said, I've opened these two. If you haven't, you should do that, or else BotGhost won't work. I've already done that, so I'm just going to click. Now that you've done that, this is just all the different modules. You can go into these and customize them. Of course, there is a premium. Premium doesn't really do much. It's still helpful because it gives you many different things like advertising your bot, giving weather updates, translators. It can give you trivia, music, economy, bunch more wonderful stuff. There's just a lot of different modules that you can use to make your bot be the best that it can be. Now we're going to go into settings. Your settings is where you can just change your bot. It's everything without having to deal with the Discord developer portal. You can change the prefix. You can change your bot's token if you changed it. You can make your bot's status. You can delete the bot. Bunch of other stuff. Right now I'm going to make my bot prefix T. Save changes. You can also invite your bot. So to invite, click on that. Now that's there. If you'll head on over to Discord. Alright, and as you can see here, this is just some random server. The bot is up and running. And it even has its own status and stuff. if you want to change the status and whatnot, you're gonna have to get premium. And everything here is pretty self-explanatory. Each different module comes with its own instructions. So let's just go into moderation. They have these question buttons that if you click, brings you to the bot ghost documentation tab. And this just shows you everything that you need to get started. I want this video to be pretty short, so I'm not going to go into that as much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you make your own custom bot. So head on over, do that, and have fun. Thanks for watching.
Missing someone.